Hello, here on my channel today, I'll be reviewing the Volume Platform framework. The Volume platform will run exclusively on VLM utility tokens. Platform is built on the Ethereum blockchain and will be fully capable of executing smart contracts. This platform is completely revolutionary and gives companies greater organizational and oversight capabilities than they have ever had before. With the Volume blockchain platform, companies can track, route, identify, and source all the data activity that happens on their supply chains. All of the data will be logged into the platform, which can be trusted and verified at any point during operations. The end result of using the Volume platform is that companies will have the power to scale from local to global market much faster, and they will have much greater control of their supply chains. This is good for everyone. Volume blockchain platform operates as the one central location for your business supply chain operation. It is a blockchain ecosystem for manufacturers, bottlers, distillers, distributors, governing agencies, brand incubators, and creators of alcoholic beverages. On volume, manufacturers, bottlers, distillers, and distributors can exchange, view, upload, download, naturalize, register, validate, approve, and disapprove data regarding contracts, purchases, register of raw goods, tracking and tracing of products and materials, identification of products, trade assurance of products, letter of intention, certificate of origin, purchase orders, paperwork regarding specific processes in different parts of the business, delivery, liquid registration, and of course payment. In addition to this functionality, Volume also provides the following useful services. Government authorities will have a fixed and permanent presence on the platform, from where they will be able to streamline their processes that they are required to carry out, such as licensing, process tracking, collars, certificate of origins, registration of brands, permits tracking, and verification of licenses and vetted status. Customs and Border Patrol will have a presence so as to have regulatory access to importation and exportation documents, certificate of origin, and their respective processes. Internal Service Revenue too will have a platform presence in order to verify companies' income production and be able to receive instant payments for their respective tax schedules depending on the rate per transaction. The platform also works with various regulatory agencies to provide legal advice and process information, working primarily as a P2P platform in a manner similar to popular wholesale to retail online markets. Volume has a native cryptocurrency on the platform called VOL, which is used for purchasing membership for business accounts and regular memberships. On Volume, vendor accounts require different types of bonds in line with different permitted levels of transactions and business interactions. The platform has a feature for keeping transactions insured by collecting a percentage of transactions and directing them to a pool that indemnifies purchases and transactions as well as merchandise if the client decides to pay a fee for the insurance of the transaction. This insurance covers bottle breakage, lost or damaged goods or services, malpractices, and many more common industry mishaps. The construction of Volume on a blockchain framework is for reasons of transparency and ledger technology that provides every company or client with the ability to do business securely and track and trace the data evolved using smart contracts and blockchain validation. The Volume platform already has a number of proof-of-concept subjects confirmed for a trial, including an international distillery, a bottle manufacturer, a liquor distribution company, a healthcare company, a construction company, an import and export company, and two liquor brands. Learn more about the project by visiting their website and read their white paper. The website link can be seen on the video description below.